Hey friends, if you wish to fix Werfault.exe error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to update the driver. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, select optional updates, install all the optional updates, and then you can also update Windows at the same page. So just go to check for updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Restart now and check for problems. That's it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.